What up my Pokemon masters, my name is SuperNerdglenn, also known as SNG. I get a lot of questions about how I randomized my Nuzlocke, how I can make everything random in the game. Today I'm gonna do my first tutorial on how to show you guys how to do it yourself. Let's go to my computer. First I have my desktop, so follow me you guys, just do what I do and you're gonna get there as soon as possible. First we open the internet, that's a given. Then we type in ROM randomizer and press enter. As soon as you've done that, the first thing that comes up will be the Universal Pokemon Randomizer. Click on that one. Then you can see here, right here, downloads. When you click on downloads, you get two links. A download for Windows and a download for all other platforms. If you don't have Windows like I do, press the other one. Let's go and download it already. When I press on the link, in the corner below, it will open a zip file. Download a zip file. You see, when you open the zip file, it's gonna be the third from above, randomizer.exe. It's an application, you guys. So press that one, double click. I want to archive them. And then we have an open JavaScript Universal Pokemon Randomizer, you guys. I'm gonna make it large for you guys. This is the randomizer itself. Now, first, before you enter a ROM, you have to download a ROM. Let's go back to the internet. Let's see if you want to download a GBA game, Game Boy Advance. Let's say Pokemon Ruby. Let's go with Ruby. Pokemon Ruby ROM. Okay you guys, when you open your Universal Pokemon Randomizer and you open the ROM, let's go open the ROM, the Ruby version, oh, this one. Then you can see that the game will be getting to randomized. First of all, press the no game breaking moves box you guys, because when you encounter a dragon Pokemon with Dragon Rage very early in the game, you will already lose everything you have. So in everyone's opinion, it's just game breaking. Like Dragon Rage happening on the first route or the second route, it will be game breaking. So make sure to check that, because no dragon will have Dragon Rage before the second gym, I guess. Then let's check the first box. Pokemon base statistics, keep the same. Pokemon types, keep the same. Change possible evolutions, you guys. This is an important one because you can't trade Pokemon with friends in your randomized Nuzlocke. So for example, if you have an Kadabra and you want to have an Alakazam, it's not possible because you have to trade it. With this, Pokemons that will be traded evolutions or health item evolutions, they will get just a level that they evolve into the final form, just as it is. So make sure to check this box so you can have the Alakazam if you want to. Now, for the starters, we want to randomize completely, and we want to change the static Pokemon to random Pokemon, but still legendary will be legendary and normal will be normal, you guys. That's a very important one for me, at least. I want to make sure my starter has a health item that is randomized. The moves I want to keep the same, because otherwise it will be freaky. You can do as you want, you guys, but just I'm not doing that. My trainer Pokemons will be randomized. I also want them. I want my rival to carry his starter throughout the game. So when he gets the Noctowl, I want him to have that Noctowl throughout the whole game. The wild Pokemon, I want to be random. No held items, that's not necessary. Then the TMs, I want to change the TMs in my opinion, but I don't want to change the compatibility for the TMs and the HMs. So every Pokemon that can learn Thunderbolt, for example, will be able to learn Thunderbolt. The field items, I want them to be randomized completely, and for the little extras, I want them to randomize the catching tutorial. So when you have entered all your settings, you guys, it's very important to save the settings. Just type random Ruby or something, save them. But that don't mean that your game is randomized yet. It just saved the settings, you guys, so you can use the settings over and over again. Now, to completely randomize your game, you need to press the randomize save button right top corner. So let's go do that. Then we go name them random Ruby 2, because I already have one. Now, always make a log file, that's no problem. And then you can see the randomized completed details. Just the random seed and the configure string, that's not important. Then you need to click alternatively, you can produce a file which contains this data, which you can send to people. So if you want to share the randomized ROM you made, you can produce a file and then you can send it to your friends or family as you wish. But just click done if you don't want to do that. Now your game is randomized and saved in the random map you made before. When you open your emulator, you guys, first you need one, but you will find that in Google. So when you open Google, you guys, just download BlueStacks first. If you have a Mac, I don't know how it works, because I don't have a Mac, but you need to get an application that can run Android applications. So in my case, I have a Windows. BlueStacks is perfect for that. It makes your PC like an Android. It's just an Android emulator. So when you download BlueStacks, I'm not gonna download it because I already have it. Let's open BlueStacks. Where it is? BlueStacks, there it is. Let's go. When you open BlueStacks, then you can go into the Play Store like it was an Android. So when it opens, you can download in the Play Store. You can download two sets of emulators. I have a Game Boy Advance emulator, the My Boy, and the Drastic DS emulator. I do have a DS emulator apparently. So when you open BlueStacks, you guys, and you downloaded the My Boy ROM, you can see in the My Games tab, you can see the system apps. Then you can see the Media Manager, you guys. Open that. You need to import files from Windows. In my case, it's Windows. Then when you are here, you just have to ignore this little screen and go to your files on the computer itself, because it won't be there when you click it. When you open your map on the desktop, then you will see all the files. You see right here I have a little bit of files. In here I have a lot of files, because that's what I do. I need to drag the GBA file. It's right there. I need to drag the GBA file to BlueStacks Media Manager. So now I have them here. When I press this, I want to open it, and he's gonna transfer it, import it from Windows to your Media Manager. Now you can close the Media Manager and open the My Boy BlueStacks app. Now you can see right here, it will say Ruby. And now your game is playing. Just like that. I'm not sure Okay, I can play. My controller is not connected to my PC right now, so I'm gonna see if I can... No, it's not possible without a controller. Anyways, you guys, as you can see, my game is loaded. My game is playing right now. And it will be randomized completely. Trust me, you guys. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Also, leave a like and subscribe if you didn't already to see me play my randomized games. Also do unboxings of the TGC in Pokemon and do more. I do top 10s also, so leave a like and subscribe, you guys. Thanks for watching this far. I hope to see you on the next one. SNG out. Bye, you guys.